I made $2,840 in 30 days selling simple AI PDFs. You're seeing the proof on the screen right now. And the crazy part? These aren't complicated ebooks or 200-page courses. They're just cute colored animal books for kids, made with AI images, in under 2 hours, with zero design skills. Almost nobody is talking about this AI PDF method, but it's working quietly in the background. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through the exact system I used from idea to AI images to a finished book in Canva to getting paid over and over again. Stay with me, because if you can copy and paste, you can do this too. Here's the 4-step system. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas and detailed image prompts. Step 2. Use LM Arena AI to turn those prompts into beautiful animal images. Step 3. Use Canva to turn those images into a professional PDF book. Step 4. Upload the book to platforms that sell digital downloads and get paid on autopilot. Now let's go through each step in detail, starting with step 1. First, we need ideas and prompts for our book. Open ChatGPT. We're going to give it one powerful message, and it will plan the whole book for us. You'll find this exact prompt in the description below, so you can copy and paste it. This prompt will do 3 things for you. Number 1, it gives you a prompt for the cover page. Number 2, it gives you prompts for each book page from page 1 to page 10. Number 3, for every page, it gives you 2 versions. One prompt for a black and white image and one prompt for a colored image. The black and white version is what you'll use inside the book if you want kids to color it in. The colored version is what you'll use later to create a promotional video that shows off your pages. That promotional video is important. It grabs attention, it lets buyers see exactly what they're getting, and it can dramatically increase your chances of making sales. Don't worry if this sounds advanced. I'm going to break everything down step by step so you can start selling even if you are a complete beginner. Once ChatGPT gives you the full list of prompts, save them in a document or notes file. When you've done that, you're ready for the next step. Now we turn our ideas into actual images. First, open LM Arena AI and sign up for a free account using Google. Once you're logged in, click New Chat, then choose Image. Before we generate anything, we need a strong reference image for the cover page. This will help us get much better results. Go to Etsy and sign up for a free account if you don't have one. In the search bar, type Animal Coloring Book, then sort or filter to find the top-selling books by clicking on Sale. Pick one that has a nice clean cover, and an image slide video in the listing. That combination usually means it's selling well, and we're going to use that style as inspiration in our own unique way. Click on that book, then right-click and download the cover image. Now go back to LM Arena AI. Click the plus icon to upload the cover image you just downloaded as a reference. Next, go to ChatGPT, copy your cover page prompt, and paste it into LM Arena alongside the reference image. Then click Run. Here's why I'm using LM Arena AI for this step. LM Arena gives you access to some of the best AI image generators, including Nano Banana Pro, completely free. It generates images from different AI models anonymously and lets you vote on which one you like. Over time, this creates a leaderboard of the models that usually give the best results. That means you get high-quality, professional-looking images for your book covers without paying anything. As you can see, we just got an amazing cover page for free. When you combine a strong cover like this with a short promotional video, you massively increase your chances of getting sales because buyers can instantly see what your book looks like. Now, choose the image you like best, download your finished cover page, and save it. After that, go back to ChatGPT, copy the next prompt for page 1, paste it into LM Arena, generate the image, and download it. Repeat the same process for every remaining prompt until you have a full set of images for your book. Once you've got your complete image package, you're ready for the next step. Now that we have all our images, it's time to turn them into a real book. Open Canva and create a free account if you don't already have one. In the search bar at the top, type A4 document or US letter document, depending on the size you want for your book. Click on a blank document template so we can build everything from scratch. First, let's add the cover page. On the left side, click Uploads. Then upload the cover image you downloaded from LM Arena AI. Drag it onto the first page and stretch it so it fills the entire page. This is going to be the front cover that buyers see first, so make sure it looks clean and centered. Next, we'll add the inside pages. At the bottom, click Add Page to create page 2. Go back to Uploads, upload your first inside image from LM Arena AI, and drag it onto the page. Here, upload black and white images only, not colored ones. Resize it so it's centered and leave some white space around it so kids have room to color. Repeat this for each image. Add a new page. Upload the next image. drag it onto the page, and position it nicely. If you want to make your book feel more professional, you can also add page numbers or a simple line of text at the bottom, like page 1, page 2, and so on. You can also add a simple introduction page right after the cover. For example, "Thank you for getting this cute animal coloring book. This book is designed for kids ages 3 to 7. Have fun coloring." Once all your pages are in Canva and everything looks good from the cover to the last page, we're ready to turn this into a PDF. At the top right, click on Share, then Download. For the file type, choose PDF print if you want the highest quality, or standard PDF if the platform you're using prefers smaller files. Make sure all pages is selected, then click Download. Canva will generate your finished PDF book with the cover, all the inside pages, and everything formatted in order. Save this PDF in a folder with a clear name, like Cute Animal Coloring Book Final.pdf. This is the exact file you'll upload to your selling platform in the next step to start making sales. You now have a real digital product created from AI images in a format that buyers are used to paying for. In the next step, I'll show you where to upload this PDF, how to price it, and how to set up your listing so it actually sells and doesn't just sit there. Now that we have our finished PDF, it's time to turn it into money. We're going to upload it to a platform called Payhip so people can buy and download it instantly. Open your browser and go to Payhip. Create a free account using your email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, click on Products. Then click Add Product. Choose Digital Product because we're selling a PDF file. On the next screen, click Upload Product File and select the PDF you exported from Canva. This is the full coloring book we just created. Now we need to set up the details buyers will see. Ask ChatGPT to create a full upload package for you PDF, then just copy and paste, starting with title, then on price, choose between 3 to 7. I will go with $4.99. On the image section, upload the cover page image you made on LM Arena AI. This is super important because it's the first thing people see when they land on your sales page. Now, let's quickly create a simple promotional video you can use to boost sales. If you go on Etsy and look at the top digital products, you'll notice many of them use a short slideshow video, black and white pages turning into colored versions. We're going to recreate that in a very simple way. Open CapCut on your phone or computer. Create a new project and set the video size to 1:1, which is a square format. Start uploading your images in this order. First, the black and white version of the animal, then the colored version of the same animal. Repeat this for a few different pages. You don't need many. Around 6 images total is enough. Set each image to show for about 2 seconds. So in total, your video will be around 12 seconds long, short, simple, and perfect as a product preview. When you're happy with how it looks, click Export in CapCut to save the video. Now you have a mini video ad for your coloring book that you can upload to Payhip, reuse in your YouTube video, or even post on social media as a teaser. Go back to Payhip, and if there's an option, add this video to your product page or use it in your marketing content. A quick preview like this helps buyers actually see what they're getting and can increase your conversion rate. When everything looks good, click Publish or Save Product. Payhip will now give you a unique link for your product page. Every time someone clicks that link and buys, Payhip will automatically deliver the PDF to them and send the money to your account. You've just turned simple AI images into a real digital product that can pay you over and over again. Quick note, Payhip is perfect for beginners because it's simple and fast. Later, when you're more comfortable and want more organic traffic, you can also list your best-selling books on Etsy as an advanced option. Etsy has a big built-in marketplace, but the setup is a bit more detailed, so start with Payhip, get results, then scale up. In my next videos, I'll show you how to drive free traffic to this Payhip link using YouTube, Pinterest, Threads, and other platforms. So you're not just creating PDFs, you're actually getting sales. If you want more AI side hustles like this, hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss those free traffic tutorials. Also, watch the video showing up on your screen right now to watch another AI side hustle you can start today and generate a decent amount of money by building your own AI business model. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.